Hey Internet, thanks for tuning in for another E30 update. Of course, we love the E30, at least enough to name our startup after it, but we realize that not everyone can own one of God's chariots, and that's okay, because there's still a lot of other great BMWs rolling around out there, like this E46. Now, one thing about the E30 interiors that we all love is that they're really, really well made. But unfortunately, with each successive generation, they got a little bit less, they went down in quality a little bit. With the E36, the window switches looked a lot like the ones in the E30, but they were actually rocker style switches that weren't quite as reliable as E30's push buttons. But for the E46, BMW really went full on planned obsolescence with this three mechanical level dual action switch. And they're just real thin, crispy white plastic, and after 20-25 years they just get really crispy and start breaking off. So we decided to fix that problem, and we reverse engineered the switches. We've got 4 different versions. My wife just likes the clear with, or translucent with black icon. We also have a standard style, original style with black with a translucent icon, and then we've got solid black and solid translucent. And to replace are just a snap. If you still have a switch in your car that isn't broken yet, this is how you take them out with a tiny screwdriver. Pop out one side, pop out the other, drops out, and they tend to break right here at these tiny little holes, or this whole section, paddle section, will break off. And here's one of our new switches, the translucent with black icon, and they just snap right in, give you the dual action, and then you want to plug it in, and I'm just going to lift this up because my console's broken. Normally you would have to pop this little section out with a little plastic pry tool and unscrew these and then lift this up, but I don't have to do that. So I'm gonna just snap that in. And again, you would have to screw that down and then snap your center console in, but I don't have to do that. And then there you have it, all new window switches, 4 different styles. If yours are broken, go to e30update.com, click on the E46 category, and our window switches are up online. Join us this 3:30, March 30th for 3:30 day, celebrating the E30 and all 3 series. We're going to meet at Coolidge Park at 1 o'clock and then do a little cruise out Signal Mountain. So join us for that if you're in the Chattanooga area, and tune in next time. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.